Let's make a nutritionist-approved smoothie. Start with your veggies. I'm using celery and half a cup of dense veggies is a serving. Next is kale. Leafy greens, a full cup is a serving. Just use a hand. Now we want to add healthy fats. Flax has omega-3 fatty acids, which is great. 1 or 2 tablespoons. Next, I'm adding protein. I'm using collagen. You could also use yogurt or nut butter. 1 or 2 scoops. Now the fruit. I keep bananas in the freezer. A half a banana is 1 serving of fruit. I'm using cherries today. 12 cherries is 1 serving of fruit. Today I'm making chocolate cherry, so 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. And finally, we'll add our liquid. You can add tea, you can add water. I'm adding macadamia nut milk. 3/4 of a cup to a cup. The more frozen your fruit is, the more you'll need liquid. And there you go, 1 cherry chocolate nutritionist approved smoothie.